Chuck, and with harvest season starting in the next couple of weeks, the Illinois State Police are warning drivers to look out for farm equipment on the roads. Troopers say drivers should share the road, allow extra travel time in rural areas, and obey the no passing zone. Slow-moving farm equipment will have an orange triangle on the back and flashing yellow lights. Troopers say farmers should wipe off reflectors. They also remind farmers that machinery cannot be driven on controlled access highways. We have more information on our website, 25newsnow.com.